Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. And today I have come up with this hot pink look. I'm living for this look, okay? It's so simple, so easy, and anyone can do it. It is very simple. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video. Guys, the first thing that I'll be doing is, priming or concealing my eyes. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible to do so. After wetting the micro sponge, it is actually very soft and it doesn't even feel like it's like a beauty blender. It feels like it's if you people know Turkish towels, it feels like you're rubbing your eyes with that, and it is super soft. It does not absorb the product, it stays on top, and you get more coverage in your lid area, because I never had got so much of coverage with this concealer before. I felt that the normal sponges, you don't get so much of coverage, but blending out is quite a difficulty with this because I'm using the same pressure everything. Going with the moisturizer. My face is feeling extra dry these days, so I'm just going to go in with this Nivea moisturizer. For the dry skin type, I'm telling you, this is a fabulous moisturizer. People say it clogs pores and all. You should just learn how to take care of your pores. I have an entire video as to how you can do facial at home and all. You can go check that out. I'll be putting it in the description box, so you people will not have a difficulty finding that video. And I have told how you can take care of your pores at home and do a facial for yourself at home easier and more inexpensive way. So I'm going to go into the primer. For this, I'm going to take the Master Prime by Maybelline. This is an amazing primer. I don't know if a microfiber sponge is supposed to be like crumbling down the makeup, but when I was applying the eyeshadow, I could feel the concealer which I applied was crumbling. It was a very weird thing because I've never seen it in any other sponge. So I'm going to go ahead with this Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is my second bottle. This is an amazing foundation for people who love a full coverage. People say that this is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Full Filter foundation, and this is in the shade Golden. This is one of my most favorite Holy Grail products. I always have a backup of this. Like, the first bottle was about to get over, so I just immediately bought this, and this was at a sale of 500 bucks, and I'm like, it's a steal. I just need to have it in my life. It is amazing. It is full coverage. It's beautiful. I somewhat don't like the fitting. I personally feel that it has very, very less coverage. It's actually supposed to be like those everyday kind of makeup people ka foundation. So even on an everyday basis, I would prefer a full coverage. Personal choices, you see. I'm just gonna hope the best with this because I personally, after what happened to my eyes, I have no hope. Okay, first and foremost, right off the bat, it's so difficult to blend out. Like, this foundation blends easy breezy dream, but this is really difficult. My foundation is crumbling and it's not a very pretty sight. It's giving a phenomenal coverage. That's a good thing, but I feel that this is not of any good use because my foundation is crumbling and I don't want my foundation to crumble. The makeup that you people saw was really pathetic because the eyeliner messed it up. So I'm going to go ahead with this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I feel that that's beauty blender microfiber. I really don't like it. It is giving full coverage, but everything is crumbling, and that's not the point of the makeup, to crumble down, right? I don't like it. My take on that. And if it is happening to you guys can also comment down and tell me or suggest me a good microfiber sponge, but I think I'm good with the normal ones. I don't like that microfiber one. This Swiss Beauty HD palette, and I'm going to take this color over here, a very peachy color. I'm going to go in with that. I'm going to take that all over my lid. I'm going to go ahead with this hot pink color over here. This is one of my most favorite shades from the palette. I'm going to take my most favorite shimmer, this color over here. Put it from my inner corner to my outer corner. Halfway, guys. and keep blending it with your finger so that it seems seamless. I am going to go in with concealer. I said I'm not going to use the same microfiber sponge because I feel it's not my jam and I wasted my money on that. It's truly rubbish because it's just crumpling up and I don't like that kind of finish on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead with Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 40 Caramel, and I'm gonna apply that under my eyes. I want to brighten my under eyes, and for that I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Amber. The same thing what we took for the eyes. I'm going to take that and brighten my under eyes. This is what I like to do. If you want to skip this step, you can skip it. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, shade medium more in, and I'm going to just set my under eyes and my face with this. And I'm super stoked about this because I had just bought this a few days ago and I really wanted to put it to a test. So we're going to do a review, small review of that. So this is the K-Play blush by MyGlam, and this is in the shade Frozen Raspberry is the shade. What a beautiful color and what a beautiful packaging, and it has a mirror, so it's phenomenal. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply that, and oh, it's so buttery soft. Holy shit, it's pigmented. What an amazing blush is that, okay? So this smells divine. It's a gorgeous blush, yeah. I just love it. It's so beautiful and I can't stop looking at myself. It is a mix of peach, pink, orange, everything together, and I think it's perfect, and it is very drugstore. It's like $600 for so much of products. Now going to get over. So I'm going to go ahead with this Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade medium brown. I'm going to do my eyebrows with that. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Petals highlighter, and this is in the shade Blossom Glow. Dip me, dip me, dip me. Oh, this is stunning. I'm going to apply mascara. For mascara, I'm going to go ahead with Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Today I don't feel like bronzing or contouring my face. I feel that I want it to be white and pink. Okay, I want to look like an ice cream today. For the lips, I'm going to take this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Pretty Please. So guys, this is my completed look. Oh my god, I am in love, okay? Like, I'm legit in love. This was so simple to do. This is so easy to do. Anyone can do. And you can just go to the door if you have a small party to attend or housewarming or any small functions. You can easily do this. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.